Good morning, students. Welcome to the yet another lecture of accountancy, ISC class 12th. So, in the previous class, we have studied about profit and loss appropriation account. Now, we are going to start partners capital account when capitals are fixed and fluctuating. I told you the detail about these two methods. We'll solve the question to make the concept more clear. So we shall start now. This is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Just go through it once. On the credit side, you have the profit and loss account, the amount of profit which we brought down from profit and loss account, this amount, and then interest on drawings. On the debit side, we have salaries to partner, commission to partner. If any remuneration is paid to partner, that will be debited. Then interest on partner's capital, any transfer to reserve, then profit transfer to partner's capital or current account. So when capital account will come? When the method is fluctuating capital method. And when current account will come? When method is fixed capital method. To have a more clear approach, we'll solve the question related to capital account. This is the capital account when the capitals are fluctuating. I'll just show you if there is doubt. And when capital are fixed. So we'll deal with question number 8. The serial order may change from new book to old book. This is latest version of DK Goel recommended in our school. So this is the question. We'll start reading the question. So Y and Z are partners with capital. Capital of both the partners are given. And on 1st April 2018, each partner is entitled to 9% interest on capital. So 9% interest on capital will be charged. 9% of capital. Okay. 9% of 25,000 and 15,000. Okay. I'll show you in the solution. Then Z is entitled to a salary. Salary is given to you how much? 6,000 per annum, and commission of 6% of net profit remaining after see remaining after deducting, after you have to pay attention, deducting interest on capital and salary, and after charging his commission. That means the amount of profit after deducting interest on capital and salary will be inclusive. That net profit will be inclusive of the commission. This after charging implies that the net profit which we will receive will be inclusive of commission. Okay, then the profit before adjustments are given to us 30,800. Okay, so we have to prepare partners capital account. See, now they have given both when capital. So first part is when capital are fixed and when capitals are fluctuating. It is mentioned in the question. If it is not mentioned in the question, we prepare according to the fluctuating capital account when nothing is mentioned in the question. Okay, so we will start. First of all, we will make profit and loss appropriation account to calculate the distribution of profit. We'll start. So this is profit and loss appropriation account we have made. This 30,800 is the profit, which you know. Now interest on capital, on partners capital Y and Z. So how we have calculated this? 9% for X, it is 9% of 25,000, and for Z it is 9% of 15,000. Capital is given in the question, you can see. So this 9% of 25,000 and 9% of 15,000 will get the interest on capital. Then Z salary is directly given to us. Okay, now we'll move to its solution. This amount, from where we get this amount, 1200, I'll show you in the working note. Here it is, working note, computation of interest. See, interest I have shown you already, 25,000 into 9% and 15,000 into 9%. See here, now computation of Z's commission. So I have told you it is inclusive. So how we got this 9,600? We got it as 3,600 interest on capital. How we got this 9,600? This 9,600 we got as 3,600 interest on capital of both the partner, and the Z salary 6,000 which was given. So we will minus from net profit. This is the amount of net profit, less this, and 6 upon 106. Why? Because it's after charging Z's commission, that's why. So by calculating we get 1200. I hope this is clear to you. This is simple calculation. So all this amount. Now last point is net profit will be divided equally. Why equally? Because nothing is mentioned in the question regarding profit sharing ratio. Okay, so this is the reason that we are going to distribute the profit equally. So in the absence of partnership deed, if nothing is mentioned in the question, we'll assume the partners will share profit or losses equally. Okay, and interest on capital will not be charged in the absence of partnership deed. Interest on drawings will not be calculated in the absence of partnership deed. Only interest at a rate of 6% on partner's loan account will be given in the absence of any detail given in the question. Okay, we'll solve all the question related to it. So this, I think, working note is clear to you. Here is the solution. Here are the amounts. See, 3,600, 6,000 and 1,200. Okay, so when we will subtract these three figures from profit 30,800, okay, when we will deduct this amount, these three amount, we will get 20,000, and that will be divided equally. Okay, 10,000 each. So we'll get 20,000. We'll get 20,000. That is divided among the partners Y and Z. Now I have written here capital account as well as current account. See, because we have both the method in this question, that's why. I hope this profit and loss account is clear to you. Profit and loss appropriation account. You can take a screenshot of the solution. Now moving on to the next part, that is preparation of partners capital account when capitals are fixed and when capitals are fluctuating. So when capital are fixed, we have to prepare two accounts. One is partners capital account and one is partners current account. Okay, so this capital balance brought down, opening balance, and this carried down, because no addition or no drawings of capital is given in the question. So this is the partners capital account. Then partners current account, all the items which will increase partners current account will be on their credit side, and which decreases their current account will be on debit side. Okay, so here's the current account. By balance brought down, no balance was given prior. Then interest on partner's capital account. This we have calculated in where we have calculated. Yes, correct. PNN appropriation account. These amount we get from profit and loss appropriation account. Everything related to the partners. And the profit, this profit 10,000 each of both the partners. We will total this credit side and subtract from the debit side, nothing is there, so the entire amount will be carried down. This balancing you have studied in class 11th ledger. Okay, I hope this point is clear to you. See, 12,250 and 18,550. Clear? Now I have told you in the previous class, if I merge both this partners capital account and current account, अगर मैं इन्हें जोड़ दूं, दोनों को क्या कर लूं, मर्ज कर लूं, then it will become partners what capital account when fluctuating capital method is used. So if I will add both the account, then we will have partners capital account C. Okay, only one account is prepared. See here is the balance of the capital and then all the items related to partners. Okay, we'll total it again. Credit side is greater than, nothing is there on the debit side, so the balance carried down here. Okay, I hope this point is clear to you, all the students, how we got these figures. Is my point clear to you, students? Okay, all these figures I have already told you and shown in the working note, so you can take a screenshot, and this is the solution for our question. If you have any doubt or anything, you can write a comment or you can message me on my WhatsApp number. Only queries related to subject will be entertained. I hope you enjoyed this session. Take care. Bye bye, students.